I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. If you're a regular sunup viewer, you know we focus a lot on soil moisture. Soil moisture is key not only to plant growth, but our weather as well. Drier soils contribute to higher air temperatures and lower humidities. Tuesday afternoon, October 7th, saw air temperatures climb to just under 100 degrees. Granfield, Walters, and Waurika each reached 99 degrees. The coolest locations in the state had a Tuesday high of 84. And humidities in the southwest and panhandle Tuesday afternoon plummeted into the teens, the dark brown areas. West central Oklahoma had humidities in the 20s. Green areas in the east were above 40%. The recent high daytime temperatures have kept 4-inch soil temperatures in the 70s for much of Oklahoma. A map with 3-day averages of bare soil temperature at 4 inches was mostly yellow, soil temperatures above 70. The green areas show locations with cooler topsoil in the 60s. Why are we so interested in hurricanes in Oklahoma? Because they bring so much moisture inland. Moisture from Hurricane Odile in mid-September came into New Mexico and Texas, pushing up the 30-day rainfall total for areas near the small white dots to 20 or more inches of rain. Odile failed to bring much moisture to Oklahoma. The blue area over western Oklahoma was at a ½ inch or less. A percent of normal rainfall map for the last 30 days emphasizes that shortage of rainfall. The red areas had less than 20% of their normal rain between September 8th and October 7th. Bright orange areas were at 40% or less of normal rainfall. Light orange areas less than 60%, yellow less than 80%. Now moisture from another hurricane, Simon, has come in from the Pacific. On Wednesday, the Rainfall Forecast map estimated that Oklahoma rainfall totals from Thursday, October 9th to Thursday, October 16th would range from a ½ inch in the southwest to over 4 inches in the northeast. We desperately need that rain to get winter canola and wheat crops up and growing. How dry were our soils before this forecasted rain? On Wednesday, the percent of plant available water from the surface down to 16 inches for most of western Oklahoma was below 20%, the dark brown areas. Fort Cobb was at 6%, Minco at 8%, and Norman at 7%. The driest location for plant available water was Walters at only 4%. When we look at the plant available water as inches of water from the surface down to 16 inches, Walters had only 1/10 of an inch. The dark brown areas had generally less than a ½ inch of plant available water. Light brown areas came in above an inch. Yellow areas were between 1½ inches to 2 inches. The green areas were mostly above 3 inches. Haskell had the highest plant available water at 4 66/100 inches. Now we just need to wait and see if all of the forecasted rain becomes measured rain. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Mesonet Weather Report.